The base region must be very thin and lightly doped in case of transistor action. The solid which have the negative temperature coefficient of resistance are insulators and semiconductors. The mean free path for a gas with molecular diameter d and a number density n can be expressed as 1 by root 2 n pi d square. The ratio of contributions made by the electric field and magnetic field components to the intensity of an electromagnetic wave is here c is speed of electromagnetic waves is 1:1 answer. In Young's double slit experiment, if the separation between coherent source is halved and the distance of the screen from the coherent source is doubled, then the fringe width becomes 4 times. For which one of the following Bohr model is not valid? For singly ionized neon atoms Ne plus. The average thermal energy for a monoatomic gas is Kb is Boltzmann constant and T absolute temperature. Answer is 3 by 2 kBT. Two cylinders A and B of equal capacity are connected to each other via stopcock. A contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. B is completely evacuated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The stopcock is suddenly opened. The process is adiabatic. A wire of length L, area of cross section A is hanging from a fixed support. The length of a wire changes to L1 when mass m is suspended from its free end. The expression of Young's modulus is mgl by A into L1 minus L. The Brewster's angle IB for an interface should be 45 degrees less than IB less than 90 degrees. Dimensions of stress are ml inverse 1 T inverse 2. The increase in the width of the depletion region in a PN junction diode is due to reverse bias only. A ray is incident at an angle of incidence I on the surface of a small angle prism with the angle of prism A and emerges normally from the opposite surface. If the refractive index of the material of the prism is mu, then the angle of incidence is nearly equal to mu A by 2.